Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and maybe excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you SST Standard 3 Chapter 7 and the chapter name is India Political. In last videos we have learned about the India's physical and here in this chapter we will see that India Political. Now before starting the chapter I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the Ludos, Carom and PUBG video games. You can read the book also. In fact, you can complete your work what you got on online classes. Now whatever the homework I am giving you on online classes, that I want all the homework once the school will open. So whatever I am just sending you the homework on the website, so please you can go there and you can check your homework and please complete down it in your fair copy, and it should be in good handwriting, because we all know that we are in very pandemic situation, like COVID-19. So it's better that we can sit inside, we can enjoy our daily life with family members and online classes also. Because before the summer vacation I just used to teach you the SST through Ylings, but I'm here to teach you the SST like shooting the videos for you. So I'm just going to teach the line by lines here, so please take out your book and sit in front of me. Now if you don't have the book, then purchase it as soon as possible. Let's start the chapter. India Physical, page number 37. So we have read early that we live in a very beautiful and large country called India. Yes, of course, that in previous chapter and in early chapter that we have learned in first line only that we live in a very beautiful and very large country that's called India. That's called India. So can you locate India on the map? So map is there, you can see India, it's written. So it is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. It is located where it is located. So please take out your pencil and you can underline from it is located. So once anyone will ask that where is India located, then you will say that answer is it is located. You can underline from here. It is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. It is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. India is surrounded by, this also you can underline, India is surrounded, where it is surrounded? It is surrounded by the Arabian Sea on the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east and the Indian Ocean in the south. Now again I am repeating that from where you have to underline, so please underline from it. It is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. So our India, it is located where? It is located in the southern part, south part of the continent Asia. And India is what? It is surrounded. It's all surrounded by the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea is on the west side, the Bay of Bengal on the east side and the Indian Ocean in the south. So we can go through the map and then we can see India is written, it is in the middle of, and top is what? It always shows the north. You can see Arabian Sea is also written. Arabian Sea where? It is on the west side. It is on the west side. Then downside in south you can see that Indian Ocean is written. It is in the south side. And the east side is what? Bay of Bengal. So India is surrounded in these three sides. Arabian Sea on the west, Bay of Bengal on the east and Indian Ocean in the south. The Himalayas separate. The Himalayas separate India from most of the continent of Asia. Himalayas are there. It is what? It separates the India from the most of the continent of Asia. they form a natural boundary. They form what? It's a natural boundary. India and its neighbors. Now we can see that India's and its neighbors, the people like the areas, the people lived in our neighbors, so that we can see the India's and its neighbor states. Look at the map again. The map is there. You can look the map again. Now you will see that India shares its boundary. India shares its boundaries with many countries. Yes, it's there, that you can see that India's boundary is there, and it just shares their boundaries with many countries. Pakistan and Afghanistan, it is in the west and northwest. The Pakistan and Afghanistan are to the west and the northwest, means in between the north and west. To the north are the countries of this side. To the north, you can see on the map, to the north the countries of Nepal, Bhutan and China. Nepal, Bhutan and China. So Bangladesh and Myanmar, it is located in the east side, and to the south is what? Sri Lanka and Maldives. So these all is what? It's the neighbors of India, and it's what? It shares the boundaries of the countries. So again I am repeating, Pakistan and Afghanistan, it is on the west to the and northwest. In north you can see the countries like Nepal, Bhutan and China. Bangladesh and Myanmar, it is in the east side, and south side it is Sri Lanka and Maldives. So these all is what? It's the neighbor countries of the India. Next, India and its neighboring countries form the Indian subcontinent. India and its neighboring countries, these all: Pakistan, Afghanistan, then Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Maldives. So these all is what? It's India's neighboring countries, and it forms the Indian subcontinent. Subcontinent is like a large area of land that is the part of a continent. A large area of land. Subcontinent means what? A large area that is a part of continent. A subcontinent, it is a large landmass. A subcontinent is what? It's a large landmass that is a part of a larger continent, and it is what? It is a part of a larger continent. The Indian subcontinent is a part of Asia. The Indian subcontinent, it's what? It's a part of Asia. Next page. Political division. So here is what one topic is there, the political divisions. India is what? It's a very large country. India is what? It's a very big and large country with millions of people. Living in India. So we have a union. So what? We have a union or central government. We have a union or central government to rule the whole country. In a very good manner. So that what? India is what? It's a very big country with millions of people. Living in it. So that what? We have to unite or union or central government. We have what? We have union or central government to rule the whole country. So what was that? The next topic we will see in the next videos. So please guys watch the next videos. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.